kindergarten friends. Let's take a look at our morning message. Today is December 10th already. Wow. All right, read with me. I'll get my little pointer here. Good morning, kindergarten rock stars. Today is Thursday, December 10th, 2020. We are so happy you are watching today. Gingy is ready again to travel with you. You are going to Laos today. So that's exciting to see all the things, some of the great things that they do in Laos and some of the delicious things that they get to eat. So enjoy your time in Laos today. All right, so let's take a look at beginning sounds again. We did this yesterday, and so I have some new words for us today. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say 3 different words, okay? But they're all going to have the same beginning sound. You have to help me figure out what that beginning sound is. All right, here we go. Here's the first set. Pig, pin, pail. Okay, I'll do it again. Pig, pin, pail. What do those 3 words begin with? You are right. Pa, pa, pa. Fabulous. Let's take a look at the next set. Nest, nose, nut. Okay, I'll do it again. Nest, nose, nut. What do you think? They begin with the sound. Fabulous. Last set. I got a little piece of hair flying around. Okay. Tiger, toe, top. Okay, we'll do it again. Tiger, toe, top. What do those 3 words begin with? You are right. T, t, t. They begin with the t sound. All right. So now I'm going to say 3 different sounds, and then we're going to read the word. Okay? So the first the first sound is What letter makes the sound? You got it, the letter H. So I'm going to put the letter H there. Okay, here's the next sound. What letter makes the sound? You remembered the letter U. So I'm going to make a U and I'll put it right there. So we have, all right, last sound. You ready? Okay. G, 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 g. What letter makes the G sound? You are right. The letter G. Let's put that in there. All right. Whoops. I'm just going to push this up. All right. So what is our word? Let's read it. Hug. 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 It's the word hug. Wonderful. Since I can't give you a hug today, let's do a virtual hug where you give yourself a big hug and pretend it's Mrs. Cool. Wonderful. All right, let's finish up our right here. Love, Mrs. Cool and Miss Pam. We sure miss you boys and girls at school, and we can't wait for you to come back again. But until then, we still have a lot of learning to do, so we're going to keep moving along, okay? All right, we're working on that letter F. You'll have some seesaw activities for that letter F, that F sound, for frog, fruit, fish, and feet. All right, we're counting. I always have to bring this down. I must not save it. 60 today. You guys ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Great job. All right, we're counting down. Here is that. Start at 20. Here we go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast up to the moon. Great job. Practice that every day so that you can do that when it's time to do it in school. All right, let's do a ABC pattern. Let's do candy cane, gingerbread man, wreath. Okay, so that's my pattern today. Candy cane, gingerbread man, wreath. And I do a candy cane, gingerbread man, wreath. Let me do it again, because a pattern just keeps repeating itself over and over and over. Here we go. What's next? Candy cane, gingerbread man, and wreath. Fabulous. All right, let's take a peek at our kindergarten words. I'm going to say them twice. Say them with me if you know them. Brown, brown. Black, black. Orange, orange. Red, red. Gray, gray. Am, blue, blue. At, can, go, go. Is, like, see, me, two, the. Wonderful job, you guys. All right, let's take a look at our fun activities on Seesaw today. I'm excited to share these with you. First one, you are decorating the fireplace with stockings, Christmas stockings. So Santa Claus is holding up a number, and that's how many stockings you have to put up on the fireplace. So if you take a look here, Santa is holding 5. So you need to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on. Okay, there are 10 pages, so there's 10 different numbers that you have to match up. When you're all done, make sure you submit it by pushing the green check mark. Then I can see your work. And if maybe have an adult person take a peek at it. I have a lot of friends that are sending back work that's not correct. So have a mom or dad or a grown-up that's with you. Look at your job before you send it. All right, because we want to make sure that you're getting it correct. All right. Here is a game that you get to play. All right, so you have to shake the dice up here. You just touch it, and then the dice turns and turns and turns, and then you get to whatever number it is. Then you have to find it down here, and then you have to read that line. These are all kindergarten words you know. So this is 6. See that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have to read this line. So you got to start at the top. The, me, can, like, is. Then I'm going to shake it again. Maybe I'll get 3. If I get 3, I have to read this. At, am, the, can, like. I want you to do it at least 4 times and send it to me. But it's good practice to keep doing it and practicing it because you need to know those kindergarten words, those sight words, just by looking at them. So the more that you practice, the better that you get. And the more that you know them and the faster you know them, the faster and the better you are as a reader. All right. And then we are working with that letter F. Remember I told you that we're going to look for things that begin with the F sound. So I have this. There's 3 pages to this. So here you're going to have to circle the things that begin with the F sound. Okay. Oh, you can't hardly see my face. And then the next page is is a sorting. So you have to sort things that begin with the letter F. And then on the last page, you have to look for things that begin with the letter F and circle them. Okay, so once you finish all that, you need to push the green button and submit it so I can see your fabulous, fabulous work. All right, and we do have a few videos today. You have your math lesson, you have your handwriting, okay, T and then T words, or excuse me, it's not just T words, but it's all the letters that we've been practicing, the lowercase, and they made words with them. Kind of fun. All right, then the let's find out, that is kind of, let me show you what that looks like because you might not remember, but it looks like this, okay? So I have a video about it, and then you get to draw something that you want on the back. Maybe something you want Santa to give you, all right? Maybe, I don't know, maybe it's Legos, maybe it's, I don't know, a Barbie, whatever. Just draw it and then tell me. I'd love it if you could tape that for me so I can see what you want. That's exciting. And then you and Gingy are traveling to Laos today, so watch the video and learn about another country. You might even know friends that live in Laos, or maybe your family is from Laos. So take a look at that, and also there's no video for this, but practice your guided reading book that we've done on Monday and Tuesday so that you can read it very well. Okay, that's always good. And you can, if you have extra time, you can always practice your numbers, or you could put them in order, and you can show that to me. You can take pictures of all the things that you are doing to be a great learner, and I would love to see it. I love to see your work. Love it. All right. Oops, why did that go like that? Well, and before it's have a wonderful day. Individual Zooms with Miss Pam today. So if you did not have one yesterday, you're going to have one today. Miss Pam put a link on. So just take a peek. Oh yeah, take a peek at that. If you got a message for the link, it should be Lola, Andy, Maddie, Bardilio, Duran, Olivia, Griselda, Isa, and Na. Okay, so all of you guys will have a Zoom with Miss Pam today. Okay, lucky you guys. All right, and last but certainly not least, have a wonderful day. Remember, give me a call or send me a message if you have any questions about anything at all. All right, I'm excited to see your work today. Bye, boys and girls.